Becomes yun now. Receiver basketball. Kick out number 7. Defensive shoot. Kick out number 23. Air ball. Here comes Raisus now with the basketball. Finding opportunity in offense. Raisus. Kiriscate rito. Raisus. Kigal naman. Over. Rebound dito para sa Horace. No good again. Here comes Sonoria on the drive. Naipit doon. Still by Correzo Digos. Correzo na fast break. Wow. First team foul. Correzo will catch ball. What will they do now? Number 18 puts up a 3. No good. Rebound, put up by number 39 ng Correzo. This is Maki. Last by number 7. Raisus facilitating ang offense. Raisus, anong gagawin niya dito? Ball of a shot clock. Raisus finding man. Puts up a jumper. Oh, good. Here comes Roy Hisuir basketball. Number 7 on offense. Still by his teammate. At the count of 15. Guys, gonna shoot. Take. Use a floater, no good. Creative is there. Put up. Not a miss. Rebound meron eh. Here comes Maki with the basketball. Maki with the basketball. Maki now. Guys, he's gonna shoot. He puts up 3. That's good for Maki Pellegrino. First shot of the off-campus residences. A 3 ball for Maki Pellegrino. 18 Putin is still here for Raisus. Off-campus for the basketball. Finding Maki again. Finding opportunity in offense. Fine foul. Score natin 2-3 in favor of Campus. Magandang depensa ang ginagawa ng Iputi. Maki for 3. Short. Rebound here for Correzo. Anong gagawin ng Correzo? Number 13 offense. Finding number 7. Finding inside. That's good for Correzo. 4-3 na ang tintalaan. Finding the basketball. Pass, out of bounds. Bola ng Correzo. Correzo now with basketball. The post. Kicked out. Nag-isip dito Correzo ng ofensa. Finding inside. Still hit for Maki. Great steal. Maki na post up. Maki na basket. Finding Maki for 3. Shot. Rebound here for Correzo. And instead, ball game here for both teams. 4-3 ating dalaan. Ganyan outside. Itano floater. No good. Rebound fast break here for Correzo. Nagmamadali dito Correzo. Pinagpag doon. That's good. For number 30. Great start here for Correzo College. Digos. Ganyan ang basketball. Matt Brilon. Great good movement here for Campus. Floater. That's good. For Maki Pellegrino. Great in. Puro shot there. Floater for Maki Pellegrino. He has now 5 points. in the first quarter. Maki Pellegrino. Number 7 pulls up a jumper. No good. Rebound here for Carrizo College. Kick out to number 26. He pulls up 3. Bam! 3 ball for number 26 ng Carrizo. Fighting now. Bumangga. No good. Great defense. For foul for Carrizo College. Blast here. Blast and open. Isolates. Pats damag. Blast isolates ang basketball. Nice ang fighting offense. Find damag. Puts up 3. That's good. Struggling pa rito off campus. 26. He pull up Troy. Back-to-back 3 points by number 26 ng Carrizo College of Digos. JN drives, he flies, short. Carrizo now with the basketball. Carrizo, he pulls up for 3, he check. Bam! That's good. 3 straight threes for number 26 ng Carrizo. 14-5 nating dalan. 15-5 rather. Turnover, great defense there for Carrizo. Number 7 with the basketball. Finding to his teammates. On the post. Kicks out. He drives, he floaters. Off court. Rebound Marine. Maki now with the offense. Finding straight to the shot. Ang gagawin Maki dito. Maki drive, he spins. What a move for Maki. He answers the 3-9-0 run for Carrizo. Carrizo bumawi. Waiting. Move back. No good. Kick out dito. Reload. He puts up the again. Oh God, he rebound here for Rene. Last na with the basketball. Anong gagawin ng half campus? 15-7 natin dalaan. Maki now with the move. Maki now with the handles. Maki. Fake. What a shot. No good. Rebound. Struggle here for off campus the first quarter. Great team ball movement here for Carrizo. Floater, no good. The 1-4 here for Maki. Maki na offense. Anong gagawin ni Maki now? Maki, 1 ball screen. Ayag. Last now, he puts up the 3. Oh, good. A struggle here for off campus. 3 minutes and 10 seconds left. First period. Number 7, he floats layup. No good. 15-7. Bulasa with the basketball. Finding opportunity in offense. Bulasa hits it and shoot. Ayag with the jumper. Short. A board here for Carrizo College of Eagles. Number 30. Finding his teammates. He pulled up. Wrong. Air ball. Great defense for both teams. But namang dito, ang Carrizo College of Eagles 7 with 2 minutes and 41 seconds of our first quarter in our ball game. Shout out sa 5K followers at viewers natin dyan. Dinasok ng Kasin. Gagaw. Sika na with basketball. What will he do now? Sika. Great team defense here. Patergonia. Paris wins himself inside with 2 points. 59. Bisaya hit rule on 3. Bisaya lumista na dito para sa Gorisu College of Digos. That's a fourth 3-point shot for Gorisu College of Digos. Comes pass. Great offense there for Rock Campos. Last dito. Finding Baterbonia on 2 points. Bulasa now, this is with a move, great pass by Ayag. Oh, now 3-pound here for Bulasa. He pulls up jumper, struggle. Foul. 20-11 ating score. Lamang ang Gorisu College. Bulasa now. Dito Bahingting. 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 He blows ang floater. That's goal for Bahingting. Nakawala doon sa depensa ng Gorisu College. Because Bulasa now, finding Sika ng offense. Bulasa with the basketball. Bulasa. Great defense here for the Saya. Bulasa with a move. Wow! Nakawala si Gia Carlo Bulasa. Sika's play. Bisaya now on the basketball. Finding Banner. A chase down there for Bulasa. Score 20-15. Here comes Bisaya now. On offense. Bisaya. Kick out to number 31. Kick out. Center for teammates. Great defense here for Campos. Struggling to offense. He puts up 3. No good. Rebound here for niya. Finding si Sikan. Bulasa again. Shot lang 15. Bulasa. Double team. Bahingting with the basketball. Bahingting with the move. Dito screen here for Elijah Quintao. Bulasa. Oh good. Last 16 seconds remaining in first quarter. What a pass here from Bulasa. For out of bounds. Kanang ito highlight of correct sa kwanda commentator. Sisiga na Maki now with the basketball. Last 7 seconds to shoot. Maki na offense. Screen here for Quintao. He rejects the screen. Foul. Foul there for jersey number 31. Maki now. Tries once again. He puts up the 3. A short for Maki. Winding down offense. Cut lock. Raven to the side. Finding Maki. Maki na on offense. What a fake. Short. Bola ng off campus. Painting now remove. Nakalusot bilang floater. That's good. Brysus Painting. What the? Shot! Maliit! Pero malupit! Raisus binding. Corizo now in offense. He puts up a jumper. That's good for CJ Visaya. What an answer there. I'm saying Pellegrino now. Need hard drive. Wow, off board. Hard rebound there. But foul. A great, both teams doing a great work on defense here, both ends. Napakagandang depensa. 22-17 nating dalaan with 8 minutes, with 9 minutes in our ball game in second quarter. Number 39 ang basketball. He gives it to Puro. Number 4. Baterbonia on the post. Polite find there for Baterbonia to his teammates inside for 2 points. Marky, anong discarding gagawin dito? Marky na tumatawag na play. Finding Lloyd. Fake. He puts up a jumper. Lloyd, no good. Out of bounds, bola ng Corizo College. Bulasa and Sonoria in for off campus. Baterbonia on offense. Baterbonia versus Baterbonia. Finding his teammates. Screen dito para Baterbonia. Pick and roll. Great defense there. Great defense there for off-campus rebound there for Bulasa. Paano makakabawi ang off-campus residences now? Alley-oop. Kick out. Lloyd with a jumper. Upward. A strong play here for Lloyd Wage. Twenty-four 17. Lamang ang Corizo. Visaya putre. Hey, go for it. Rebound there for Rene Baterbonia. Raisus now with the basketball. Anong gagawin ng off-campus dito? Finding opportunity in basketball. Raisus, pick and roll with Baterbonia. Great and one! May kasama pang foul. Extra points for Bulasa Baterbonia right there. Great roll. A classic pick and roll with Raisus and Baterbonia. Old school basketball. Miss. 24-19 nating dalaan. Visaya now. Finding 31. Finding the post. He gets out to number 4. A board here for Sonoria. Here comes Bulasa with the basketball. Finding Baterbonia versus number 13. A great defense there. Blocking foul for CJ Visaya. Whoa! What a pass right there! Nice execution. Rock campus residences. And we are now 3-point ball game, 24-21 in second quarter. Great team ball movement here for Corizo. Visaya fakes, he drives, he puts up a jumper. Good for Visaya. Grabe, walang kupa si CJ Visaya dito. He comes. Off campus na nakatawid sa opensa. Ball screen here for Sanoria. Finding Matt for three. Really now. Board here for Rorizo College. Number 30 ng basketball. Great. Bisaya wide open three. That's good. For CJ Bisaya. A back-to-back shot there for CJ Bisaya. Nag-iinit na dito. A steal for number 30. He puts the layup. No good. A foul right there. Wow. CJ Bisaya nag-iinit na dito para sa Corizo. Binding an offense. Binding. What a great zone defense there for Corizo. Saroy lumipad. Off short. Gandang depensa ng Corizo. Pinapakita dito sa first half. Great team ball movement. Look at that. A jumper. Off board. Here. Rebound. There for Sanoria. Sanoria with a move. Sanoria. Great find. Patahipin sa mother ball niya inside. Paalala lang po na college ang nakakalaban ng off-campus. But nothing is excused right now. Gandang pinapakita ng Corizo College of Digos. 5 minutes and 10 seconds, 29-21 ating dalaan in second quarter. Lamang Corizo Digos. Makin for here for off campus. Yes! Here comes Corizo now with the basketball. What a pass upward. Rebound here for Rone. Wala sa finding offense. Ang gagawin ng campus. What a nice pop. Anermonia po sa jumper. Rebound here for Sanoria. Matt po sa padre. Upward. What a deep pass. Great find there for Sanoria. Bulasa. Shout out kay Paul Sturgante watching now. Boy, kailangan ka rin, boy. Shout out kay Aaron Gilas watching. Score natin 29-23. Lamang ang Corizo Digos. Corizo College nagpapaulan dito ng 3 in first half. Grabing shooting yan. Makinaw with the basketball, finding opportunity in offense. Makinaw. Maki what a move with a handle. He got Bulasa. Bulasa by with a move. Naipit doon inside. Great defense there for Corizo. Corizo now. He puts up a three. Bang! Grabe ang Corizo. (35-23). Sisiga na ipit nito. Foul. Akin na, funding. Damag for 3. A rebound there for Baterbonia. Gandang depensa daw na ng off-campus. Paano makakabawi ng off-campus now? Maki na offense. Finding Ayag and jumper inside. No good. A hard rebound of foul. Katulad na ka. Dula sa Lazada. Dula sa Lazada ay sa GTC. Open mo na ni Bulasa. 26 half puts up 3. In and out. Grabe si 26. Gusto pang pagpaulan. Maki a pull up 3. Short. Struggle here for off campus. Paano makaka-recover? Maki na with the basketball. Maki lumipad! Maki Pellegrino! Nagkapipas sa ere. Katawag na dito si Ghost Chess. Great defense. But a great move rather. Rebound. Oh, almost still that. On post. Number 626. Off good. Maki now. Mad wide open. 8-0 run here for off-campus Residences. Timeout for Goris Amigos. 35-29. What pass? Block there for Baderbonia. About 2 points. One, 2-2 zone here for Isu College. Sisikan. Maki na on offense. Anong gagawin? Maki struggling to pass. Tama Grimes. Off board. Grabe ang bibilis ng Isu College. 4-0 run. Binawi lang. Sikan with the basketball. Inflection. And one for Marcos Sikan. Great answer there for off campus. 39-11 natin talaan. A great crowd here for off campus and Corizo College here in Babak Samal Island. A bonus shot here for Marcus Sikan. Sikan, bonus shot. No good. Great defense here for Balasa. Oh! Out of bounds bola ng Gorizo. Oh, great shot there. Naka-knockout play pa ng Gorizo. Balasa now, mainting. Balasa again. Balasa. Wow. Great experience here for Rough Campus Residences against a much mature team, Gorizo College Davao. Tuwagin for Maki Pellegrino. Bilasa. First shot. Off good. Kinakapapa ni Bilasa ang opensa niya dito. Oh, good. He can stand by 26 on offense. Out of bounds. I think ito win ang buo. Grabe, nagpasayaw si Raisus. One still. A fast break there for Corinzo College. 23-31. Last 14 seconds in first half. 1-2-2 zone here for Lloyd. Finding Ayad. Raizo, simple of bomb. Pointing out for Raizo. Monkey. Oh, good. He puts up a jumper. That's good for Maki Pellegrino. A pull-up jumper. Grabe, nakatawid agad si CJ Bisaya. Now, minding. Finding Rene on the post. He's trying to post inside. Great defense. Parang pader. 5 shot clock. Fake. Maki again. Turnover. Rorizo recent here. Isaiah against Rene. Isaiah. Finding inside, para block, para foul. Correzo with the basketball. Finding Isaiah. Oy! Isaiah with a move. Oh, foul. Maki now back to basketball. Maki finding Matt wide open three. Off good. Bola dito ng Correzo College. Number 7 na ISO. Kunti kang nakalusot. Rebound here po sa Noria. Sanoria, minding. Tinahapon na lang ng layup, no good, pero foul, oh no foul. Bola na off campus.
Pabalik Messi sa kamay, sir.
Here comes Maki with the basketball. Inbounds play. Finding JM on offense. Matt, great team movement here. Maki, key check. No good. Finding Gordre. In and out. Great effort there for JM, but out of bounds. Off game ngayon, off campus. What a great defense there. Pinapakita dito ng Correzo College. In and out. Travel. Sisigaw na si Coach coaches dito. Ano mga kabawi ang off-campus? Maki now with the basketball, finding offense. Finding opportunity to shoot. Maki, sasayaw. Maki, great defense. Turnover again. A fast break here for Isaiah. Isaiah, lumipat! Show rhyme. Sanoria and one. May kasamang mga bawal. But off-campus here can't afford. Kailangan na nilang humikpit ng depensa. 47-35 ating talaan in our board game third quarter. With 6 minutes and 56 seconds in the third quarter. Shout out, bossing. JM, bonus shot. Sanoria, that's good. Number 7 here for Mauricio. Pass offense there, but no good. Grabe pass offense dito para for both teams. Paano babawi ang off-campus? Rene on ball screen. Rene ISO. Sanoria drives. Woo! JM Sanoria. He skies the rim for 2 points. Shot clock goes here for Corso. Isaiah on ball screen. Isaiah, he drives tonight. Naipita nito. Shot clock violation. Nakabawi sa depensa ang off-campus. 47-38 ating talaan. Shout out to 7,000 viewers natin dyan. Shout out sa ating mga shoutout. Hindi ko mabasa yung comments niyo pero shout out sa inyo lahat. Mahinting na with basketball. Paano mga kabawi? Rises. Orange set play. Double stagger street. JM. Rene on the post. Matt. 4-3. Miss again. Wala sa wow. Put back. There. Great effort there. Wala sa anong pinagkagawa mo dito? Grabe na. Isaiah. Great stop there. Rises down the basketball. Rises Sanoria. Antitibay ng katawan ng Corso College. Wala po sa tanod-tanod. Ayan si Esther Dante. Number 7 here, nagbabalik for Corso. Still there for off-campus. Plaza, kick out, Suayag. Block! A putback, no good! A point blank range, wala pa rin there for off-campus. Offensive, wow! A block there! Bater, Bonia. Wag dito, boy. Hindi bater, Bonia. Status yung sa game for Corso College. 47-38 ating talaan in third quarter.
Ang mas kaapihan.
Risus na on ball screen, nakawala! Grabe! Risus pointing! Small but terrible! Grabe naman yun! Paano makakabawi ako? Risus! Great defense there! Sanoria on the run! Sanoria drives! Great find! That's good! Coral Damag from Samal Island. (42-47). JM Paterbonia. Stop there for out of bounds.
And that position accomplished.
Munti ka lang tinamaan ang fan doon.
During the rest of 46 seconds remaining, with the third period, papak ngayon sa lima para sa Burros and Eagles.
Babasa lima ang kumang.
Campus pahinting ngayon ang Ladies
Fighting with a move. Fighting now with a handle. Out of bounds. Ganda na sana, sayang. 47-42 ating dalaan. Ayagin Warrior for off campus. Great team ball movement here. Off court. Great defense there for off campus. Ayag with the power rebound but a foul for Corisug. A great addition here for off-campus residences. Number 29, Ayag. Five-point lead now. Bulasag na handle. Ayag for save. No good. Grabe dito. Number 26. Woo! Munti ka na si number 26 doon. Laro. Gili lang mga player, bay. Tabades. An unfortunate shot. An error there for Marcus Sican. Magic Pudong in and Risos in for off campus. Shout out to 7.7 viewers. Shot clock 14 para sa Corisug. Corisug offense. Aras pa si Sican. Aras pa yung Jason there. Defense there for Siason. Pellegrino with a push! What a move, but no good. Corizo na fast break. Panterino. Corizo. 49-42 ating dalaan. A great ball game here in Samal Island. Ganda ng sobra dito. Nakatawid ang off campus. Painting with ball screen. Yason, hit is a screen. Oh good. Dito na Ayag. Oh boy dito. Corisog ng basketball. Taken a wide open three. Good. Maki now. Nakatawi dito. ISO, Maki! Maki! He blinds the rim! Grabe, Maki! A fearless drive for Maki Pellegrino. Foul, blocking foul there for Rice's Painting. Wala bang play dyan? 49.4. 1 minute and 16. Left in third quarter. 49.44. A fake. He puts a three. No good. Para almost still. Grabe yun. Sayang. Comes Bulasa. Woo! Bulasa! Grabe, parang nagpakain pa ng baka. Two trips. Nakakita na shot clock. Horizontal basketball. What will they do now? Warmo. Here comes Maki. Maki now. Great find here for Benban. Bararo bounce. Grabe yun si Kian Carlos Bulasa. Walang laro na walang showtime. Nakawala doon, number 15. Last 10 seconds. 53-46. Maki now. Maki now. Hard drives. Out of bounds with 0.01. A close ball game here. Shout out to 7.9 viewers. Bulasa taking out of bounds. Jesus now on offense. Woo! Suwabe, Jesus, Painting. Sabi nga nila si Jesus ang pinaka-serious sa laro. Here comes offense for Orizo. Orizo goes. Great stop there for Paterbonia. Oh! Horns there. Sumisignal ang horns play. Double screen now. Here comes the horns play for Campos. Painting again! Jesus Painting! Oh, may init na rito. 53-51 for our ball game. Foul. Grabe naman yun, Raisos. He's leading the team with big shots. He commanded offense and he scores for off-campus residences. A big game here for Raisos. Dalawa na lang. Basket good there for number 30. Number 30 on the basketball. Second shot. Good. Back-to-back shot. Good for number 30, Ethan Harrison. 55-51 ang ikalaan. Balik sa apat. Mata with a floater. No good. Tulasa now. Tulasa, lumipad! Woo! Hindi ka na si Paralo. Tulasa. Wow! Grabe naman yun si Giancarlo Molasa. Yama po gusto yun. Number 30 on offense. Ang gagawin dito, isolate sa JM. Fuentes. Great defense there, rebound here for Bulasa. Bulasa na, bibigay kay Mahinting. Combo of Bulasa and Mahinting. Bulasa, ipot sa patre. In and out. A pass break here. 2 points for Gorizo College, 57-51. Bulasa, babawi for 2 points. Batang Toril, Gian Garos, Bulasa. Seven minutes in the ball game. Out of bounds. Oh! Off that complaining here. Bola ng Gorizo. Apat na naman ng Gorizo. Bisaya now. Bisaya na Iso. Great defense there for JM. Man-to-man DMs. Shot clock violation. Great man-to-man defense there for JM Zanoria and Bobet Baterbonia. Grabe naman yun. Oh, campus na. Lamang ang Gorizo ng apat. Ethan Horseblade again here for off campus. Eliza Iso. Eliza. Great defense there for Bisaya. Sasayawan dito. More Mahinting. Maki. A tough shot. Too good. Si Bisaya. JM now. JM! Woo! He almost posterize it. Palm out. Rough campus. Grabbing highlights. Munti ka na. Wala off campus. 61-53. 6 minutes and 10 seconds in the ball game. Maki na nagbababa. Maki high drive. Foul.
But there's a concept and there's a foul. Ang hirap na tinigon.
Ang hirap ng layup. Maki on a shot.
Second personal foul and first team foul. Ito, Maki Pellegrino at the red Petros holding again.
First shot here for Maki Pellegrino.
Basket for Maki.
Basket for Maki Pellegrino. 61-54 nating talaan.
And ang second to for Maki.
Tense ball game here in Babak Sambal Island. Maki now. But first, both shots.
Possession for his Tigres.
Anin na lang lamang ng Orizo. Still here. Mula sa doon. Tinapo na lang ni James. Si Butterbonia.
There's a foul on wearing jersey number 7.
Mas pa ng oras natin, 5 minutes and 53 seconds. Mabawi sa free throws dito, ang off-campus. It's the first shot for Bobet Butterbonia. No good.
Importante yung Pedro. Ayun na naman.
Very good shot here for Butterbonia. Out of bounds. $61-55. Ating talaan, 61-55. Ani mga bante dito ng Corizo College of Digos with 5 minutes and 46 seconds. Here comes Maki Pellegrino on command. Maki now! Parang nanggigigil na si Maki now. What a miscommunication there. Ang tawag dito ng referee. A waste position there for off campus. Bola ng Corizo, 61-55. Corizo now. Grabe, Corizo. Corizo on offense. Hindi ka naman handle. For foul. For Giga yung gano'n wala sa Maki Pellegrino rather. First personal foul. Foul there for Corizo. 61-55. 5 minutes and 40 seconds for our ball game. Lamaan ng Corizo ng 6. Anong gagawin ng off-campus residences? Pahinding an offense. Finding high post on Rene. Great play para steal. Almost steal. Sanoria here. Oh, he lost the ball. Pahinding wide open tray. Oh, good. Pahinding dito. Fake. Number 26. Piston. Pellegrino on a pass break. unfortunate pass. Maki. Sayang. 61-55. Punong-puno ang babak sa Island Gymnasium.
61-55. Racing Eagles position.
Here comes Corizo with the basketball. Finding opportunity in offense. Here with the play. Amades here. 39, goes up a three. That's good! For number 39 on Corizo College. 64-55. Off campus now. Finding to try and JM. Finding Maki inside. That's goal for Maki Pellegrino. 64-57. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Pass there for Plaza. Here comes Plaza now. Watch out. Oh, no foul right there. A panic pass for Plaza. Still here for Corizo. A travel for Corizo. At a half campus na pa chance right now. 3 minutes and 27 seconds for our ball game. 64-57. Pagod na ang both teams dito. 7-point lead. Corizo with 3 minutes and 25 seconds of our ball game. 19 na tatawid dito para sa off-campus. 19 commands. Kaisos with the handle. Finding Plaza, hit po sa patre. Oh, good. A monster rebound there. Number 39 ng Corizo. Ala! Unfortunate, still. A bad pass. He can Maki now with the ball. Siya naman gagawa dito for Off Campus. Maki almost still. Maintain po sa patre. Oh, good. Rebound, never foot back. Wala talaga. 2 minutes and 39 seconds. Foul there for Maki. What a game here for Babak Samal Island. One scored one like foul. Maki Pellegrino. 2 free throws with ball possession there for Corizo College.
Now may mid-cut rin, mid-cut, high cut rin.
Oh, good.
Mga mid-cut tayo,
Ay, siya po rin.
mid-cut na. Kung sa kalaki, mid-cut, high cut,
Parang oras, 2 minutes and 37 seconds. Corizo with the basketball. Reyes. Number 7 on move. Reyes with the screen. He pulls up 3. Bang! Number 7. Corizo College. 2 minutes and 23 seconds. 10 ang lamang ng Corizo Digos. 67-57. With last quarter remaining in our last game here in Babak Samal Island. Maki Pellegrino in for Off Campus. Checking in for Marcus Sican. Off campus now with the basketball. Waterball niya in the post. Trying to find offense. Father Bonya powers himself for a block there. Great help for Corizo College of Digos. Last 2 minutes dito for Corizo. Gonna waste his time for Corizo College. Tipo sa patre. A rebound. Grabe. 69-57. A great move there. For Corizo College. Mahinding na nagbababa ng bola. Screen for Bataponia. Ang gagawin na mahinding. Ipo sa patre. No good. Nasa with the rebound. Trying to help team win. Come back. Bulasa with a tray. A tough shot fade away. 3 for Giancarlo Bulasa. Oh, double team there. 8 seconds violation. 69-60 ating dalaan with 1 minute and 15 seconds for ball game. 6 minutes, 1 minute and 15 seconds. 69-60 ating dalaan. Tapos Bulasa inbounding. Bulasa. Binding Makina on offense. Makina on basketball. Today to shoot para pass. A miscommunication there. Total malas talaga ang off-campus ngayon. Katabi dito ang Corizo. Seconds to play, 50 seconds on the ball shot clock. Ang game clock rather. Great ball screen here for number 18. What a move for number 7. Grabe naman yun si number 7. 43 seconds to shoot. 43 seconds to shoot game clock. Bulasa, hipo sa ball. A nice game here, 71-60. Corizo, gonna waste time. Shot clock 25, 15, 12. 71-60. Alverio, Alburo rather.